9th of July 2023. It's a Sunday. I've taken the dogs for a walk, and now because I want to go out and use my drone and play with my cameras and gimbals and stuff like that, it's raining again. So alright, so this is my Hohem. It's, you know, been on the market a year and a bit now, but I live in the land of the long white cloud down under, and it takes a little while to get stuff down here. So so this is my Hohem gimbal, and it works really well. A couple of things: I'm not doing any unboxing videos or anything like that because I don't need to. There's thousands of them already. So just a couple of things that I've found when I'm starting up, when I use this thing, is don't start it without the camera mounted. Obviously, it vibrates like crazy. It just does not like it. And the other thing is, when you do start it, make sure that it's really in the position that you want it to be going when you crank it up. So that's like that. I've got the reason I know that is because the latch there is on the top, and the two symbols, the i34 Pro, are facing upwards. One on that one and one on that one are facing, so you can read them as normal. So that's just a couple of things that I've learned with this particular tool. And when you put it away, put it in the Y shape, so like a slingshot. So like sting, sting. So the bit that joins the handle goes onto this side of the case, and then you just put it like that. And that's me Hohem. Can you hear it? The gimbal noise. The servo motor noise. Sometimes it's quite obvious and sometimes you don't hear it at all, but definitely in the background there's a drone of the gimbal servos. So that's a bit of a letdown because you can't separate that noise from anything else that's going on the audio track. Well, not with my tools anyway. So yeah, bit of a bummer. Music overlay coming up. A little grotto type place over on the other side of the bridge, which basically was pretty cute, so we had a look around there as well.